At Tobi Cloud, we're making NEMT better at every turn. With our advanced NEMT software, you can efficiently manage all aspects of dispatching, scheduling, billing, and reporting from one convenient solution. Do you have a large fleet or even multiple fleets? No problem. With Tobi, you can efficiently manage any number of fleets through real-time vehicle tracking through our intuitive dashboard. Now you have instant visibility of all your fleets and can smoothly coordinate every trip with optimized routes and schedules based on your specific capabilities. Not only does it help you manage your operations more effectively, but it allows one person to easily handle operations management, saving you money in staffing and overhead. Are you looking to find the best route on every trip? Done. With a single click, Tobi's Route Planner sends your dispatchers an optimized route to improve time and efficiency. Our powerful algorithms take the guesswork and mapping out of your dispatcher's hands, freeing them up for other important work. You can even create routes for future trips to stay ahead of schedule and plan for any contingencies. Whether it's a single passenger or a shared ride, you can rely on Tobi's Route Planner to find the best possible route every time. Do you want to have eyes on your vehicles at all times? That's easy. Between Tobi's NEMT software and driver app, you will always know where each driver is, their status, and who's ready for the next pickup. Our up-to-the-second tracking ensures complete visibility, including real-time traffic updates and accurate ETAs. You can stay in constant communication with your drivers and provide better customer service by keeping your clients updated and ready. Are you looking for even more? Visit us at NEMT Transform 2023 in booth 409 for live demos, Q&As, and even the chance to win a GoPro. Tobi Cloud, better at every turn.